everyone, we are the interns of Surety IMF for the summer term of 2020. We belong to various B schools across India, promoting diversity and bringing in different culture to the company. Although it has been a very first experience with virtual internship, absorbing work at Surety was never tough because of the super supportive team that is always happy to help in every possible way. The kind of exposure this company brings to the table is magnificent. From being a startup to giving the interns the freedom to choose the nature of the work, along with being responsible for the same, it gives the experience that every MBA graduate needs.
Being a sales intern, well, initially I had my apprehensions. It was not something of a comfort zone for me. But now I have found that sales is more of an art. It's not just about communication, it is about knowing the customer and their needs, making them aware of their needs in fact, and how the formulations and how everything can help the customer and you yourself to understand people and the products properly.
I'm a marketing intern at Surety IMF. During my internship, I was entrusted with the responsibility of collecting qualitative and quantitative data from various marketing activities. We learned how to use various tools like search engine optimization and Google Analytics to know how customers engage with our website. We conducted market research on consumer behavior regarding sale of insurance policy throughout the country. Working here enabled us to know how to make effective social media strategy on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, to name a few. From ground sales to digital platforms, Surety taught us the entire vertex of marketing.
My journey with Surety IMF as a finance intern was really amazing. At Surety, I got the opportunity to select the project as per my area of interest. As a finance intern, my main objective was to make a financial model wherein I was about to calculate the valuation of the firm based on the present value of the future cash flows. Also, that was only due to the constant guidance of the people at Surety that I was able to complete my task duly.
Working as an HR intern at Surety, I had been given three main responsibilities. The first one was to actively participate in the recruitment process, in which I had helped the management team in screening, shortlisting and interviewing various candidates. My next responsibility was to check and maintain the performance of other interns working in my team. I also helped the management team in coming up with new project ideas for the future interns. Working at Surety was a great experience for me and provided the exposure that I needed. Moreover, the management team and the leadership team of Surety are so dedicated that they will definitely nurture a manager in you.
As an operations intern in Surety IMF, our main focus is on customer satisfaction. On an average, insurance company takes 3 to 8 weeks to process an application. This is more than the time taken to get a driving license. Many people give up before the process even starts. In order to reduce the waiting time and process the policy faster, the operations department at Surety IMF is trying to implement lean methods. These methods help to identify the bottlenecks in the process and helps the organization to emphasize more on these critical processes. By implementing the lean method, the cycle time is reduced and efficiency of the process can also be improved.
All in all, this has been
A great experience.
To learn
And explore
New opportunities. Thank you.